Hey guys, I want to do a quick review for you on this window AC exhaust kit here. So I did an unboxing, but now I have it actually set up in my window. So I wanted to tell you what I found out about it and what I think about it. So again, you can see this part, it has this vertical setup here. So it's really slim. So I love that about it. But what I also really liked about it compared to the other ones that I've used is the hardware that it came with. So you can see it has these wing nuts on here, which makes it super easy to adjust these. So I've had other kits from other ACs that I actually couldn't put in this window because the kits weren't tall enough. So they'd only come up to, around here. So this is a 5 foot window. So they might only come up like 4 feet, 3.5 feet or something. But this one actually extends much farther than what I actually need. And it's because of the cool design that they have. So I'm going to walk it closer to you so you can see. So it has a wing nut here. And you can see this slot. That's what actually holds it. So it comes with these little hardware brackets. You can see this slit. Actually, I'll take it all the way off so you can see. And I'm probably going to drop it. So just give me a second. So it comes with 3 of these. So just kind of a flat piece of steel stock with like a rivet or bolt through there. And then it has a washer and a wing nut. And it just slides into this groove here, which goes into the hole in the other piece. And then you just lock it in place with these. So it makes it super easy to adjust. So yeah, and that was one of the things that I think was the best feature about it, because again, I've used them before and they just like or other ones and they just really weren't that good. This one it's slim, easy to adjust, so I can move the portable AC unit throughout the rooms or other rooms, other windows, without having to like finagle with it and take it all apart and figure it all out again. So I definitely think it's a good product. Super happy with it.